all safe with a good health. With you, Ms. Dina Al-Badri, science teacher for grade 8. Today we will start to solve our revision sheet. Worksheet 1 is about the waves. Number 1, choose. Waves can be classified by the what of their distributions. Compression, direction, another, or rarefaction. It will be the direction of the wave. Number 2, a wave transfer what in the direction that is travel. The wave transfer what? Energy. Number C. 3, a wave transfer energy from one place to what? To another. Okay. Number 4, the point where the wave is highest is called crest or trough. Crest. When you make wave on a rope by shaking the end up and down, this is a medium disturbance, or transverse wave, or rarefaction or compression. So the answer it will be transverse wave, and the wave is up and down. Okay. Number 2, true and false. Number 1, if you move the end of the spring toy and the toy up and down, a wave travels along the spring. This kind of wave is called transverse wave. True or false? The answer will be true. Number 2, mechanical wave cannot what without a medium? Cannot travel. True. Number 3, a wave that requires a medium through it to travel called a mechanical wave. So the answer it will be true. Number 4, what is an example of wave that doesn't need a medium to travel through? Visible light, or light, so it's light wave from the sun transfer energy to the earth. So it will be true. Number 5, electromagnetic wave are longitudinal wave, or it's some wave travel through a medium while other don't. It will be true or false? False. Worksheet 2, matching question. How is the energy of the mechanical wave affected? How the energy of the mechanical wave affected? So the answer it will be number C. Amplitude is related to the amount of energy the wave carries. Number 2, how is the frequency calculated? Frequency equal 1 of period, or 1 over time, or frequency equal the number of the cycle divided time. Number 3, how can we describe a wave? How can we describe a wave? The answer it will be by its amplitude, wavelength, and its frequency. How is the wavelength calculated? Number 4, how is the wavelength calculated? The answer it will be wavelength equal wave speed divided frequency. Wave speed divided frequency. So the answer it will be B. How fast do sound waves travels? How fast do sound wave travels? So the answer it will be 340 meters per second in the air at the room temperature. Okay. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, the distance from any point on a wave to an identical point on the next wave. This describe wave speed, frequency, or wavelength. So the answer it will be wavelength. As the wave travels through more medium, more energy is lost to the medium. High frequency wave lose energy more faster than lower frequency wave. So this is described. What are the factors of how fast the wave travels between particles, or how does the energy of the wave affected the energy lost to the medium, or number 3, how does the energy of the wave affected the energy lost to the spreading, Or how does the amplitude affect the energy of the wave? So the answer it will be, yeah, number 2. Very high frequency electromagnetic wave carry enough energy to damage human tissues. Low frequency electromagnetic wave can be absorbed safely by your body. So the answer it will be, yeah, number 1. How are electromagnetic waves related to the frequency? Number 4. Wave speed equal wavelength divided wave period, or wave speed equal frequency by wavelength. This is how is the wavelength calculated, how the wave speed calculated, or explain examples of wave period or wave period. So the answer it will be, yeah, number 2. How is the wave speed calculated? Number 5. The density of the medium and temperature. Wave travels slower in the denser of the two solids or denser of two liquid particles in hot air, move faster than particles in cold air. This describe what affect the energy of the wave. What affect the energy of the wave? Okay, true and false. Number 1, wave travel faster in solid than liquid and faster in liquid than in gases. This is happen because the medium is more rigid. What affects the energy of the wave? This is describe what affected the energy of the wave, true or false? So the answer it will be true. Number 2, the amplitude or the frequency, the energy loss due to the medium and the energy loss to the spreading. It describe what affect the energy of the wave? No, false. Number 3, they don't require a medium, so they travel in a vacuum. They travel at the same speed in the empty spaces. This is the speed. This describe how fast do the sound wave travel? Yeah, true. Number 4, the crest of the wave can be drawn as a shape. There are called wave fronts, and the wave fronts move farther from the source. The energy is spread over a greater area. This describes how does the energy of the wave affected the energy loses to the spreading? Yeah, true. Speed equal distance divided time. How is the wavelength calculated? No, it took about the speed of the wave. So number 5 it will be false. Worksheet 3 is about sound, wave and hearing. Number 1, pitch. Number 2, high pitched sound. Number 3, vibrations, low pitched sound and amplitude. Number 1, pitch is how high or low you think the sound is. So number 1, A. Number 2, high pitched sound, it will be number 2, it will be high pitched sound has sound wave with high frequency and short wavelengths. So number 2, E. Number 3, vibration, complete back and forth motion of an object. So the answer it will be D. Number 4, low pitched sound has sound wave with low frequency and long wavelengths. So number 4 it will be B. 5, amplitude either in a sound wave is the maximum distance that the particles of the wave medium vibrate from their rest position. So number 5 it will be C. Choose the correct answer. The ear. What is the organ that detects the sound? It is the organ that detects the sound. The frequency and wavelengths of the sound wave, what determine the pitch? What determine the pitch? Number 3, they travel in all direction away from the source through the medium. It describe How do sound wave travel? Number 4, longitudinal wave that caused by vibration and travel through the medium. This is what makes sound loud. What is the sound? How do sound waves travels? Or what are the sound wave? Describe what are the sound wave. Number 5, the part of the longitudinal wave where particles are close together. This is a rarefaction or compression? Compression. Number 3, true and false. 1, the part of the longitudinal wave where the particles are spread apart. This a compression? No. False. Hertz, or the number of the cycle of vibration that occur per second, is how is the frequency expressed? True or false? True. Direct sound through the ears, which funnels sound into the inner ear. They are converted into electrical signal and they are sent to the brain and interpreted as a sound. This is how the human ears hear the sound. This is true. Number 5, all matter, solid, liquid, and gases, composed of particles. True or false? So the answer it will be true. Worksheet 4 is about electromagnetic spectrum. Number 1, radio. Number 2, radiation. Number 3, Moore. Number 4, white. Number 8, high frequency electromagnetic wave have what energy than the low frequency electromagnetic wave? Have more energy. So the answer it will be 3. Number B, light is what we perceive when we see all the wavelengths of the light at once in equal proportional. So this it will be white light. Number C, is energy that has been transmitted by wave or particles. This transfer of energy is called electromagnetic radiation. So the answer it will be okay. No one is from this answer. Number D, most of the sun's energy is in the narrow visible light range, but the sun gives off somewhat in every part of the spectrum. Number D it will be radiation. Number E, not all wavelengths of the light penetrate the atmosphere equally. What wave penetrate the atmosphere easily? So the answer it will be radio wave. Number 1. Number 2, choose the correct answer. All electromagnetic waves move at the same speed in the vacuum. The speed of the light, Okay, number 1, what light has slightly longer wavelengths than red light has? So the answer it will be infrared. Most of the sun's energy is in the narrow visible light range, but the sun gives off some of A in every part of the spectrum. Radiation. Number 3, our eyes only register 3 colors of light. What are the 3 colors? Red, green, and blue. Okay. Number 3, true and false. What is the light? What light has slightly shorter wavelengths than violet? Infrared. Now the answer it will be false, because low frequency waves such as radio wave carry what energy? They are saver. More. The answer it will be more. Carry more energy. No, the answer it will be false. Number 3, different watt of the electromagnetic wave can carry different amount of energy. Radiation. Now the answer it will be false. Number 4, some electromagnetic radiation can be dangerous to So we take extra steps protect ourselves. 2 harmful ولا 2 years. So the answer will be false. Okay, that's all. Hope you all understand. Please try to solve your revision sheet by yourself. Goodbye.